Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we have learnt in Calc how we can analyze our data with the help of consolidate, groups and subtotal, what if scenarios. In this video, we will learn about what if tools in LibreOffice Calc. These tools help us to analyze different possibilities and predict results without changing our original data permanently. So these three important tools are multiple operations, goal seek and solver. Our first topic is multiple operations. In LibreOffice Calc, multiple operations is a feature used to perform repeated calculations using different values and display all the results in one table. Means we can use a single formula and we can apply many different input values and we can see the result at once. So in a simple word, multiple operations performing one calculation for many values automatically. In multiple operations, you can see in this picture there is a need of one formula, and for calculation there is a need of row input cell and column input cell as well. In multiple operations, there is a need of one formula. So for this, we are assuming one base and exponent, and we are going to calculate the power of the numbers. So for this, firstly we will apply the formula, that is power, and we will select the base and as well as exponent of the number. So by this we can get the power. So now to apply the multiple operations, we will assume different base and different exponents so that we can calculate by multiple operations in a single attempt. So now this is the range and we have to select full range, and after that click on data menu and select multiple operations. Here you can see first formula. So what formula we have applied, just click on that. And row input cell means in row we have applied the power, so we will click on the exponent, and second column input cell means what are our bases, so we can click on base and click OK. So now by different values we have the results. So now come to the next topic, goal seek. Goal seek is a what if analysis tool in LibreOffice Calc that helps you to find the required input value when you already know the desired result or the output of a formula. Means in a simple word, if I want the different results, then this formula calculates what value is needed to get it. So now let's understand by this picture. By goal seek, what we can do, there is a need of set cell means which formula we have applied, and to value means what is our requirement, and by changing which value we want the result. So this is all about. Now we will learn with the help of the practical. For goal seek, we are taking one more example, marks of the student. So one by one, for all subjects we are entering marks. So there is a need to calculate average. So for infotech we are not taking any marks. So firstly we will calculate average and keep the cursor on average and click on tools menu, then goal seek. Formula set means already our cursor is on the formula. Target value means I need more percentage. So 85 is my target, and how much marks I need to get in an infotech. So by this we can calculate if 43 is there, then 85% we can get. So now there is a turn of next topic, that is solver. Solver is an advanced what if analysis tool in LibreOffice Calc used to find the best possible solution to a problem by changing multiple variables while applying conditions. So as compared to the goal seek, in goal seek finds one input value to achieve a desired result, but in solver finds the best solution by changing multiple input values. So what we need in the solver means maximum and minimum and exact value that you want to calculate, and what we can change variable cells, and what limits to follow, that is constraints. So in this picture we can understand there is a requirement of target cell, true value, and which value we want to change, and what is our limitations or the conditions that we can apply in the cell reference, and operators we can use as well. So now we can understand with the example. So as we have done earlier in the goal seek, we have identified one subject marks only. So now we will understand how we can calculate two subject marks with the help of solver. So here the same formula we are applying on the target cell, and true value means 92 is my target, and by changing cells means two subject marks we don't know, we want to know those marks only. So rest we can apply the conditions, means how much marks I can get in that exam. So according to that only we will apply the limitations and conditions. So like this we can apply both of the conditions, what will be the less minimum or what will be the maximum, and after that you can click on solve button, and here you can see the percentage is there in front of you, and we can calculate two subject marks with the help of solver. So dear students, thank you for watching this video. I hope you now understand the difference between goal